Welcome to the Miharashikan. At 3,200 meters, it's located at the 7th station on the Subashiri trail. It takes about 3.5 to 4 hours to hike up here from the 5th station. The name Miharashi means panoramic view, and the hut is known for its amazing scenery. The Subashiri trail is marked as red on the signposts. Check-in is in the building straight ahead as you reach the 7th station, between the hours of 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. When you arrive, give the full name that the reservation was made under. The staff will then give you an explanation of the hut and then check your departure time for the next day. After checking in, the staff will show you where you are sleeping for the night, either in the sleeping quarters next to the dining area or in a separate building. At the Miharashikan, a sleeping bag and pillow is provided. Lights out is at 8 p.m. Toilets are free for guests staying the night and are located on the right as you exit the main building. There is a bin to throw away sanitary products if necessary. Dinner is a Japanese curry with vegetables and is served from 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. A vegetarian curry is available to reserve in advance. There are 2 options for breakfast. If you are departing for sunrise, there is a packed breakfast which you can pick up before you leave, or you can choose to enjoy it at the hut after sunrise. You can also purchase soft drinks, alcohol and snacks at the shop located just in front of you as you arrive at the 7th station, between the hours of 5 a.m. until 8 p.m. Some hikers purchase a souvenir stick called gongozu, which you can get stamped at some stations. You can collect your Miharashikan stamp from 5 a.m. until 8 p.m. Most people climb to see sunrise from the summit, but you can also see a great sunrise from the hut. Just make sure to check out by 8 a.m. It takes about 2.5 hours to reach the summit from the hut.